One more. Oh god, this does not look good.
Porcelain lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat-up stuff.
I bet this is it. Yeah, key. Key inside. There it is. Every single trial is life-threatening. I'm probably gonna die before I even solve this. What is that? Press play.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
Have to find a knife. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I will do it because it's Lewison. Do it.
You have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Come on. Oh my god.
Under the desk.
Fucking hell. Roosevelt. Roosevelt. Roosevelt something. 230 something Roosevelt something. Something Roosevelt. Even though I didn't get the second one, I'm sure I can figure it out. Freaking hell, Jesus Christ, that's awful. God, oh my God. She's following him.
That's affirmative, Lieutenant. We're in position.
Perfect. Nobody moves until I give the signal. Is that clear? We nail him as soon as he sets foot outside.
Right, Lieutenant.
Lucky that patrol spotted his car.
What's he doing in there?
Beats me. You're the profiler, right? I thought you were supposed to be right inside the killer's head.
Well, that's just it. What I know of Ethan Mars doesn't match the killer's psychological profile.
I know what the jury's gonna choose between your theories and concrete proof. What the fuck is that girl doing there? Mars comes out now, she's gonna be in trouble.
What do we do, Lieutenant? Want to get her out?
No, stand down.
She's gonna escape with him on a bike. She'll go on a runner.
She's going inside. Maybe she lives there.
Really?
Well, it's just as well. We don't want anyone hanging around if Mars comes out.
Ethan, what happened? The police, they're out there. I think they're here to arrest you. We've got to find another way out.
Shit. What's he up to in there? Wait for a go on my word.
Okay, that's one down. Okay, come on, come on, come on. We're running out of time.
Shit! It's too high.
Push that, push that. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want him to get arrested. Come on. Come on.
Ready on my go.
Come on.
Stay here, Jaden.
Out of the question. I'm coming with you.
2 men at the door, hold your positions. It's a go.
God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Come on, let's go this way.
Come on, Ethan. Go on, Ethan. Get out of there. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Don't move! I'll shoot!
Come on, quick!
I can't.
Hands in the air!
Lieutenant, there's a man and a woman exiting the alley.
A woman? Shit! It's that girl who went in! Everybody downstairs! They're in the alley! Follow them!
Subway, subway. Get down. Get down the subway. Get down the subway. God. Whew. That was close. Damn. Oh my god. Oh crap. Where are we gonna go? Which way? Oh, he doesn't deal well in crowds.
Ethan, what's the matter? We've got to keep going. Ethan, they're coming.
That way. East. Excuse me. Go for it.
Ow!
Hey, watch it, man!
Sorry.
Stop or I'll shoot!
I really need a train right now. Crap. Train, come on. Train, turn up. I need a train to turn up. Come on, train, turn up. Please turn up. There's nowhere to go if the train doesn't turn up.
The tracks. We've got to cross the tracks.
This could get us both killed.
Ethan, quick, it's gonna hit us.
Of course, there's a train coming.
We gotta get on that train, Ethan. It's our only chance.
Go. Yes. Oh my god. Escaped and lived to fight another day. Fugitive. Oh dear.
Less than an hour ago, we heard from the police who have identified the man thought to be the origami killer.
Not me.
Ethan Mars, father of the kidnapped
not
victim
me.
Sean Mars,
Not
is
me.
on the run and should be considered armed
Not
and
me.
dangerous.
Not me.
A police manhunt is now underway, and they hope that they will soon be able to announce the apprehension of this dangerous lunatic.
Jesus.
I brought some food. I didn't know what you liked, so I brought some of everything. I hope that's okay.
You followed me.
I wanted to know. You're all over the news reports, Ethan. Every cop in the country will be hunting you. They say you're the origami killer. Is it true? Are you the killer, Ethan?
Confide.
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times where I don't know what I'm doing. As if I'm someone completely different. The only thing I remember afterwards is the bodies. The bodies in the water.
Why are you hurt, Ethan? Why were you in that apartment?
I think my other self is testing my love for Sean. He wants to know if I love my son enough to save him.
Other self.
That means there's some part of me that knows where Sean is. But the only way to find him is to go through these trials.
Why can't you tell that to the police?
And tell them what? That I'm a schizophrenic who drowns his victims and has kidnapped his own son? They'd never let me go, and I have to stay free to save Sean. I have no choice. I'm his only chance. When Sean is out of danger, I'll turn myself in, but not until then.
You can't keep going like this. You're destroying yourself, Ethan.
Finding Sean is the only thing that matters.
There has to be another way.
You don't understand. Time is running out. Sean will be dead in a few hours. I have no choice. Please, Madison, leave. Forget everything that's happened. There is nothing more you can do for me. If you want to help me, leave. Leave me to do this on my own.
You shouldn't be doing it alone, especially if you are indeed the origami killer. But I don't think he is. I don't know, I can't tell, but I mean the blackouts are unusual, but the FBI agent was having similar. I wonder if it's the FBI agent. Maybe it's the FBI agent, possibly. Right, guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually finish here. So I'll be back later to continue on more of the playthrough of Heavy Rain. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. If you are, please hit the like button, of course, to show your support. Let me know what happened in your playthrough. If you were playing this game, if you succeeded or failed, let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys and girls, well take care, and as always, happy gaming. Yeah. Every single trial is life-threatening. I'm probably gonna die before I even solve this. What is that? Press play. One more. Oh god, this does not look good.
Porcelain lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat up stuff.
I bet this is it. Yeah, key. Key inside. There it is. Oh my god, well I will do it because it's Emerson.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
Have to find a knife. Oh my god.